Welcome to the Global Dream and also in web development course run by the Global Dream YouTube channel. Today we are going to download and install a code editor, mm, and we are using Visual Studio Code, one of the best code editors. And with this code editor, we can write our programming languages or programming codes or programs, almost any programming language. We can write our code HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, PHP, Java, Python, and many more. All right. If you are visiting this YouTube channel for the first time and you are joining um, in this course for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. You can just click here. Okay, click here and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload new video you can get a notification. All right, let's start downloading and installing Visual Studio Code. I just write VS Code download, and uh, I believe this is the link. Yes, it is. And I am using Windows, so I will download this one. If you are using Mac, download uh, the software for Mac. And if you are using uh, other than Windows and Mac, you can use anyone. Okay, and so I just click here to download, and it's downloading. It might take 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, almost done. Yes, it is. And I just go to the folder. I can just click here, or I can directly go to open. I go to the folder where it has been downloaded and I find it here. Just right button click and click on run as administrator. All right, and it's now asking me, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? I'll say yes because I want to install it. Okay, this user installer is not meant to be run as administrator. If you would like to install VS Code for all users in the system, download the system installer instead. Actually, we don't need it. Just click on OK, and now it's asking me whether I want to accept it. Yes. If I want to install it, I have to accept the terms and conditions by Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Then just click on next. Now it's asking where I want to install it. If you want to change the path, you can do it, but I want to keep it as usual. Then go to next, and I want to create start menu bar, so I don't want to click it. I just uncheck it and just click, and I want to create a desktop icon, and uh, check add open with code and also add to path. Okay, if you want to check it you can do it, but not necessary. Then just click on next and click on install. Now it's being installed on my computer, and it might take 10 to 15 seconds, sometimes maybe a little more, but it should not take more than 30 seconds. We are almost done. Okay, then we can check whether it has been installed or not in many ways. Okay, yes, it is. Launch Visual Studio Code. I want to launch it, so I just keep check. Okay, if you don't want to launch the, just uncheck. Okay, then just click on finish, and the um, Visual Studio Code open. Okay, now I just want to close it, and I want to show you how to open it from uh, from my computer. Okay, many ways I can open it, but I want to show you the a simple way, the simplest way we can mm, we can open it. Here is Visual Studio Code. I just double click on it and it will open. All right, now I see I have already some code, though I uninstall, still it is in my code editor. Okay, now what I want to do actually, uh, I just can collapse the folder. uh, I can actually open editors. uh, Another way I can open it, let me close it. What I can do, I can just click here and type cmd. Okay, cmd is command prompt. By default it will come with your computer. Again, I'm showing you, just click here and type cmd and press enter, and the command prompt will open. What you can do, you can say cd means change directory. Now I am in the command prompt, but I want to go to my desktop, so I can write desktop. Okay, and now we are on our desktop, and I just write mkdir, means uh, make directory. Directory means folder. I want to create folder like this one. Okay, and a space, and I can name the folder, and I can say web underscore developments course. Okay, and press enter. Okay, and we can check. How we can check, we can say pwd or ls. Okay, uh, these commands are not working. Usually it works on git. I have git, but in your computer, uh, using uh, if you are using Windows, you might have an git version. Okay, so what I can do, just I can go to this folder that we just have created, and I can say web underscore, and just I can press tab button. Okay, actually it is course. I have another folder, that's why it's not coming up. And press enter, and now we are inside web development course. Okay, and I can just type code. Code means Visual Studio Code, a space, then dot, and press enter. it will open our code editor, the fresh code editor, that actually we don't have anything here but mm, our web development course folder. Okay, then I just can click new file on new file and just type index.html. Okay, index.html. The spelling is mistaken, so I just right button click and rename it index. So there is n. Okay, now uh, if I just click uh, press on shift button and exclamation sign, we can see a image abbreviation that comes by default with a code editor, and press enter, and what a beauty, right? It's a beautiful, because we don't need to write all this code. mm, all has been written for us. What I did, I just type exclamation sign, okay, exclamation sign, and press enter, and all auto has been completed for me. Okay, and I just can write here HTML, and I can write here now HTML code. Now what is HTML code? Okay, uh, this is called um, comments in HTML. In comment section, we can write, we can keep a note. What is HTML? Okay, HTML HTML is hypertext markup language. And this hypertext markup language is used to create the structure of web pages or website or web application. Okay, and these are the HTML tag. Uh, this angle bracket, opening angle bracket, and closing angle bracket. These are called tags. So HTML tag, this is opening tag, and